Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do membership testing for sets. I'm having one set that is called my set. It has three elements, 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm printing is 2 in the set. I would like to check if number 2 exists in the set my set. Mathematically speaking, if I want to check that, I type down number 2, then I use the in keyword, and then I type down the name of my set, okay? And also I would like to see if number 5 exists in the set or not. Here I type down the message, is 5 in the set? And if I want to do it in the programming language, I type down the number, then in keyword, then name of the set. Let's say set name, okay? So when I run this code, the first statement is true. Why? It returns us the value true because 2 is indeed existing in my set. So number 2 in set. I'm saying, is number 2 in the set? And the answer is yes, this statement is true because 2 indeed is inside this set and it is one of its elements. And then I'm saying that is 5 in the set? And no, the answer is no. This statement is not true because 5 is not in the elements of the set. Therefore, the answer is false. But if I type down, for example, here is 5 not in the set, is this statement true or false? 5 not in my set. Okay, so what do you think? Is 5 not in the set? I'm saying, yeah, number 5 is not in the set. Yeah, and I'm typing it in Python programming language. 5 not in, and the name of the set. So the answer of this statement is true. Why? Because indeed 5 is not in my set, because it's not in my set. So we could do the membership testing either using the in keyword or not in keyword. And in order for you to have a better understanding when you're doing it, it would be nice to type down these statements in words as well. So you're typing it in mathematical language, for example, here, or in Python syntaxes. But it would be nice to type it down in words as well. It sounds nicer when you type it down, I think. So you type down is 2 in the set, and then you type down the code. And here, when you're having the question here, is 2 in the set, and you see true. Okay, so true, therefore 2 is inside it. So you can find the answer completely in the terminal when you're having the message, instead of going to say, okay, the second statement is for which print, when you're having like 200 line of codes, for example, it would be very hard to trace it. So it's nice to also have these messages in the terminal. Thank you for watching.